How to hide names on iPhone text messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can hide your names on iPhone text messages in just simple steps. Go ahead and grab your iPhone and tap on settings. Tap on it and there type on messages. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you'll see show previews option. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you'll see three options: always, when, unlocked, and never. So if you set it to never, then the name won't show until you open the app itself. If you set it to when unlocked, then when your iPhone is locked, the names will be hidden. And if you tap on always, you can see the names on the text messages. So if you want to hide it, tap on when unlocked. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.